One of the things I love about the Janome presser feet is that they are snap-on feet, and you're going to notice that there's this little bar across most of the feet. Now, there's a different way to be able to get on other feet, which we'll go through when it comes time. But most of your feet are going to be the snap-on feet, just like this. And in order to remove it, you're going to notice that there's a little black lever in the back. Go ahead and just push on that, and you'll notice that your foot drops. When it's time to replace your foot, simply bring that down underneath it, and there's this little claw that holds on to that bar. And I could do one of two things. I could either wiggle it up and get it into place, or let's go ahead and put that down again, or I could just put it right underneath as best as I could, go ahead and put my foot down, and then do a little wiggle, and it will snap on that way. So whichever way works for you. Try it out both ways and see which one you're most comfortable with.